In this video, let us solve the example on quantifiers. Now example is like, for universe of all integers, let, now it will be given like this. This is the given statement. P of x is given. P of x is defined as x greater than 0. It is one open statement. Then Q of x is another open statement which says that x is even. Then next, R of x means here x is a perfect square. S of x means x is divisible by 3. T of x means x is divisible by 7. These are the different, open statements he has given. But he is asking us to, here the question will be like, write down the following quantified statements in symbolic form. So he has given statements, we should write them in, in notation, by using some notations. Now let me ask the first, can you, someone will be able to answer this question? Let us see. So first statement is, at least one integer is even. Can you tell me how to represent it in notation? Please someone reply. At least one integer is even. Now how to do this is, see, where is x is even or integer is even? Here, because it is set of all integers. X is, now x is even, so it means that here we must make use of q of x. Okay, that is for confirm, because x, q of x says that x is even. Okay, now what is the statement here? At least. At least means we should write there exists symbol. At least. Okay, at least one x exists for which x, that x is even. X is even means q of x. So q of x, there exists x such that q of x, it means that there at least one integer x is existing which is even. Okay, now similarly, can someone solve the second example?
Yes, sir.
See, I have written now, there exists x, p of x and q of x, because p of x says that it is positive integer and q of x says that that integer is even. So answer for second one is, there exists x such that p of x and q of x. Then can someone guess third one? Some even integers are divisible by 3. So where is it? Divisible by 3 means s of x. Now tell me, there is only one statement. Okay, one more.
There exists x.
Okay, there exists x,
X.
because some
P
x.
of x.
Sorry. Yes, please repeat.
Q of x.
Yes, why q of x? Because here he is saying even integer. Even integer is denoted by q of x. Very good. Next.
And s of x.
And that
Yes of
integer is
x.
divisible 3 means s of x. Very good, very nice. Next, can someone tell me in the next? If x is even and a perfect square, then x is not divisible by 3. Yes, please.
For all.
For all, for all, or there exist?
There exists for all, sir. For all, sir.
Wait for a while. Let me see. Well,
For all, sir.
for all. Very good. Because what he is saying, if x is even and a perfect square, then x is not divisible by 3. Here he has not used a word called as at least or some x. No. If x, it means that it is for every x. Okay. So for all x. Yes, next. What should
Q
be
of
written?
x.
It must be even. It is even means q of x. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Q of x.
And R of x.
And is a perfect square is denoted by what? R of x.
R of x.
Yes, perfect square means R of x. It is denoted by R of x. R of x. Next. So if these two are true, if this, then means conditional should be written. Am I right?
Not s of x.
x is not divisible by 3 means divisible by 3 is indicated by s of x.
Yes,
Not
okay.
means yes, not s of
Not at all.
x. Yes, that is the final answer. Okay, last one. Every integer is either even or odd. How to represent it in symbolic form?
For all of x,
For
Yes,
all integers.
q
for
of
all
x,
x. Yes, go ahead. You're right. It is even
q of x,
either even or odd. Even means q of x.
Q of x.
Odd means
or
odd is represented by what? Huh. Can you tell me odd is represented by what here?
q of x.
Negation of q of x.
Yes, very good, very good. Because there is no exclusive statement which is saying that x is odd. X is even, it is represented by q of x. So obviously x is odd means not q of x. Very good. Very nice. Yes, not q should be written. Not q of x. But what should be written here in between?
Or
Any or?
Or
No, not or. It is exclusive or. Because here it is either or even. Like either first or second one. So if I say or, then it will be wrong. So exclusive or is important. So this is symbol for exclusive or. Did you understand? Well, thank you.
yes, sir.